Hello, I'm Darren Grunwald. I'm a product specialist at Bobcat, and today I'm going to show you how to start your machine. Always refer to your operation and maintenance manual before using your machine.
Enter the compact tractor using the floorboards, grab handle, and steering wheel. You must be sitting in the operator's seat before the engine will start. You can fasten the seat belt while the ROPS is in the up and lock position. Press the clutch pedal. Ensure all controls are in the neutral or off position. To start the engine, release the parking brake. Turn the key clockwise to start the machine. Move the engine speed control lever forward to increase the engine speed. Refer to your manual for tips related to cold temperature starting. To move forward, press the left travel control pedal. To move backward, press the right travel control pedal. To turn off your machine, bring your tractor to a stop on level ground. Lower the attachment and implement. Place all controls in a neutral or off position. Engage the parking brake. Turn the key counterclockwise to stop the machine. Operating your Bobcat tractor properly and safely will ensure many years of service from your machine.
Visit bobcat.com to learn more about Bobcat compact tractors.